Hello guys, today I've got the NAVEE GT3 Max and I'm going to show you how you can easily check the riding guide. If you have bought this scooter and you don't really know how to ride the electric scooter, the application of course called NAVEE, offers you the riding guide that you can easily check. And first you need to have this application of course and tap learn more. The second thing here is riding guide, you can tap it, and now here we've got this video. You can watch it. I can show it to you, but okay, now you can watch it. That's how it works. Goodbye.